Welcome to Clean Shoes. In today's episode, I'll show you how to properly clean patent leather sneakers or any other patent leather surface. I don't think anyone would think of just wiping it dry. That would scratch the surface. You need to use the right product, you know? But be careful, patent leather surfaces need something extra. But gradually, so first we mix the contents and apply the foam. And then brush it with soft sneakers brush. Then wipe the shoe dry and wait a while for it to dry completely. Then you need to use the right product for patent leather. This is Sapphire Patent Leather Conditioner. It will ensure that the surface shines, the patent layer is soft and free of fine scratches. All Sapphire products come with simple and understandable instructions for use, so just follow them. In this case, apply again, wait 3 minutes, and polish with a dry, clean, and most importantly, soft cloth. Patent leather treated in this way will shine, will not be dry, and will not crack. If you liked this video and found it helpful, I would be happy if you would give me a like or subscribe. Don't forget to clean your shoes, and I'll see you in the next video.